Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The recent flood has caused the heaviest damages in the history of Pakistan. It has affected all the 4 provinces altogether, and millions of people, around 20 million people, have been affected directly with this flood. United Nations has declared it one of the biggest calamity. Around 20 million people have been affected directly with this flood. The economy of the people, the agriculture, their business, that is totally collapsed and that is totally destroyed. They have lost all their belongings, their homes are destroyed, they have become homeless. Human Appeal International has responded with the situation. We have distributed the food items and emergency relief packages to around 15,000 individuals in Swat, in Naushera, Peshawar, and Rahim Yar Khan districts. Right now, we are going to adopt 2,500 families in 4 districts of Pakistan. During this period, we will provide them food and all the necessities of their life for 4 months continuously till they settle their lives.
We are in ASC colony at this time, and we have made an assessment. We came to know that there is a dire need of food and drinking water especially, and secondly, there are a lot of diseases that have been broken out here. We need to tackle these problems, and these people has demanded that a medical camp should be established here to combat these diseases and to compensate these people.